Hoseas. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hoseaverse, the place where we learn, grow, and stay motivated together. I'm your host, Hoseas, and today's episode is all about a topic that so many of you have asked for: how to speak English fluently. Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning English for years, this podcast will give you a complete roadmap, from mindset to habits to tools and techniques. We're aiming for around 10,000 words of deep value here. So get comfortable, grab your notebook, and let's go on this journey together. Chapter 1. Mindset is everything. The first thing we need to talk about isn't grammar or pronunciation. It's mindset. Why? Because your beliefs shape your results. Many learners believe that speaking English fluently is something only smart people or kids can do. Some think it takes natural talent. But that's not true. Fluency is not a gift. It's a habit. What does that mean? It means that people who speak English fluently have simply put in the time, the effort, and the consistent practice to get there. They've built strong habits around learning and using the language. Here's what a good language learning mindset looks like. Growth mindset. You believe you can improve with time and effort. Patience. You understand that fluency doesn't come overnight. Resilience. You keep going, even when you feel stuck. Enjoyment. You find joy in the process, not just the result. Chapter 2. Why you're not fluent yet, and how to fix it. Now, let's be honest. If you've been learning English for years but still struggle to speak, you're not alone. The truth is, traditional learning methods often fail us. Here's why. You read and write more than you speak. You memorize vocabulary instead of using it in context. You fear making mistakes. You wait for the perfect moment to speak. So how do we fix this? Speak from day one. Even if it's just talking to yourself. Use the language. Don't just learn it. Think in English, talk in English, live in English. Practice, not perfection. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Move on. Chapter 3. Killing. The fear of speaking. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency. We fear being judged. We fear making mistakes. We fear sounding dumb. Here's what you need to remember. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The key is to build confidence slowly. Talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice daily. Join language exchange groups. Celebrate small wins. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Chapter 4. The power of daily habits. You don't need 5 hours a day to improve your English. You need consistent daily practice. Here are 5 daily habits to boost your fluency. Speak aloud for 10 minutes. Pick a topic and go. Listen to English podcasts. Absorb natural conversation. Read out loud. Improve pronunciation and flow. Write a daily journal. Reflect and learn. Use flashcards or apps. Build vocabulary. Remember, tiny steps every day beat massive effort once a week. Chapter 5. Immersion. Live the language. Want to learn faster? Immerse yourself. Even if you live in a non-English speaking country, here's how. Change your phone and apps to English. Watch movies and series in English with subtitles. Follow English creators on YouTube and Instagram. Read books, articles, blogs, whatever interests you. Talk to friends in English or join online communities. Chapter 6. Speaking strategies that actually work. Here are 7 speaking strategies to help you become more fluent. Shadowing technique. Repeat after a native speaker in real time. Role play. Act out conversations, e.g., ordering food, job interview. Q&A practice. Write 10 questions and answer them aloud. Speak slowly. Focus on clarity, not speed. Use filler phrases like, let me think, or that's a good question. Build language islands. Prepare 1-minute stories about your life. Practice with AI or language partners. Speak often. Chapter 7. Pronunciation and accent. You don't need a perfect accent. You need clear, understandable pronunciation. Tips. Focus on intonation and stress, not just words. Use YouTube to mimic native speakers. Use apps like ELSA Speak. Record yourself and compare. Neutral, clear pronunciation is more important than sounding American or British. Chapter 8. Vocabulary the smart way. Don't try to learn every English word. Learn the ones you use most. Learn vocabulary in chunks, e.g., take a shower, not just shower. Use spaced repetition apps like Anki. Keep a vocabulary journal. Use new words and sentences immediately. Review, review, review. Chapter 9. Grammar without getting stuck. Grammar is important, but it shouldn't stop you from speaking. Here's how to learn it naturally. Focus on communication first, grammar second. Notice patterns from native speakers. Use grammar checking tools like Grammarly to learn from your mistakes. Learn the basics: present, past, future, conditionals, modals. Chapter 10: Tools and Resources Apps. Duolingo. Memorize a essay. Speak Anki Hello Talk /Tandem YouTube channels. English with Lucy. Speak English with Mr. Duncan BBC. Learning English. Learn English with Emma podcasts. The English We Speak. All Ears. English Voice of America. Learning English. Chapter 11. Creating your fluency plan. Make a weekly schedule. 10-minute speaking, 10-minute listening, 10-minute reading, 10-minute writing. Use a habit tracker. Stay consistent. Don't break the chain. Set small goals. Introduce yourself confidently. Order food in English. Watch a movie without subtitles. Have a 5-minute conversation. Chapter 12. The power of community. Learning alone is hard. Join communities, language exchange groups, Reddit r/English learning, Facebook groups, Discord servers. Find friends who are learning too. Practice together. Chapter 13. Motivation and staying consistent. You will have bad days. That's normal. What matters is staying consistent. Remember your why. Do you want to study abroad, get a better job, travel the world? Write your goals somewhere you can see it every day. Final words from Hoseas. Fluency is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave, consistent, and proud of every step forward. You've got this. I believe in you, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. If this episode helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Hoseaverse. Share this with a friend who's learning English too. And remember, speak even when you're scared. Practice even when you're tired. Grow even when it's hard. I'm Hoseas, and this has been your English Fluency Masterclass. Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep shining.